Hello everyone, my name is Abro and I am representing group AH1. The topic that we have chosen for our IT project is cybersecurity. Why did we choose cybersecurity? It is said that in cybersecurity, the more secure we make our system, the more secure the system makes us. What does this mean? It is estimated that cyber crimes would break a cost of around $10 trillion by the year 2025. Also, all major companies are investing in cybersecurity programs by expanding their budget by up to around 70%. Now, what we figured was that the best way to spread awareness about cybersecurity is to make the common people, the masses, aware of what a cybersecurity attack or what a data breach or whatever these things that are in the current meta of hacking are. This is why we came up with this site slash application CyberAware. What this does is it is a unique blend of teaching, learning, as well as a practical example of how these attacks are carried out. For example, say a user wants to learn about SQL injection. He just clicks on it, and now what happens is the user actually carries out a small demo of an attack on a website. Now, we have created prompts so that it is easier for the user to use these attacks despite not knowing any sort of coding. So as you can see here, when I enter the password, obviously I will not be allowed because I do not know the password. Now I'm going to check for SQL injection opportunities. Now what when I entered the last thing, an unexpected error occurred. What does this mean? Now we will guide you through what happens in the back end. So I'll do this again, and if you notice this thing here, you'll see that the code is directly inserted into the SQL string and terminates the query early. Now this proves that this site is susceptible to an SQL breach, injection breach. What? How do we make use of that? We use this code that's here, and when we try to log in now, we have successfully breached this account and we have completed SQL injection. Now, what's the point of this? This is a fun way for a user to learn about something, and not only that, once we have established how the attack works, we have scoured the internet and picked up resources which actually explain how an SQL attack works and explain how to solidify and protect against it. And not only that, every code is mentioned for the ease of user to learn in their own language. And also, we have added links to some of the most experienced and most valuable sites in the business of cybersecurity, such as Acunetics and Invicti. So I would like to demonstrate one more attack. So let's go with cross-site scripting. uh, Cross-site scripting is basically somebody taking access over a website. So here we see the hacker, here we see the person who is the user, and mostly this person will be using JavaScript to perform the attack. Uh, and uh, I get a notification right here as well on my browser. And as we move on, we see that an injection is taking place, which results in this on the screen of this person, and we have successfully completed a cross-site scripting attack. Now that we will allow the users to have an experience of a small command as well. And again, just like the previous thing, we are now going to redirect to the some of the major sites and also mention all precautions and protections. So this was a site, and we are developing it to an app, and I hope everybody likes it. So thank you, and this is Obro signing out from Group AH1.